Emotions are not just experiences of the mind. They are full-body events. Every emotion you feel triggers a cascade of chemical signals, nerve impulses, and physiological reactions that shape how your body responds to the world. Long before you consciously label an emotion, your body has already begun reacting to it. Understanding these physical responses helps explain why emotions can feel so powerful, exhausting, or even painful. Anger is one of the most physically intense emotions. When anger is triggered, the brain signals the release of adrenaline and cortisol, preparing the body for confrontation. Blood flow increases to large muscle groups, causing sensations of heat and pressure, especially in the face and chest. Muscles in the jaw, neck, and shoulders tighten as the body braces for action. Blood pressure rises, breathing becomes shallow, and the heart pumps harder. This state is meant to be temporary, designed for survival. But when anger is suppressed or prolonged, the constant tension can lead to headaches, jaw pain, high blood pressure, and chronic muscle stiffness. Fear and anxiety activate the body's ancient survival system, known as the fight or flight response. The brain interprets a threat, real or imagined, and immediately shifts the body into high alert. The heart races to pump oxygen-rich blood to the muscles. Breathing becomes rapid and shallow, sometimes creating a feeling of tightness or pressure in the chest. Hands may tremble as muscles receive sudden bursts of energy. Sweating increases to cool the body, and digestion slows or stops, often causing nausea or a hollow feeling in the stomach. When fear becomes chronic, as with anxiety disorders, the body can remain stuck in this heightened state, leading to fatigue, dizziness, digestive problems, and a constant sense of unease. Happiness affects the body in a very different way. When you feel happy, the brain releases chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. These chemicals reduce stress hormones and relax the nervous system. Muscles loosen, breathing deepens, and the heart rate stabilizes. Many people describe happiness as a feeling of lightness or warmth spreading throughout the body, especially in the chest and face. Energy levels rise, posture improves, and the immune system functions more effectively. Over time, frequent positive emotional states are associated with better sleep, improved cardiovascular health, and increased resilience to stress. Sadness slows the body down. When sadness sets in, energy conservation becomes the body's priority. Movements may feel heavier, posture may slump, and limbs can feel weighed down. A lump in the throat is common, caused by muscle contractions linked to suppressed crying. Breathing becomes slower and shallower, and motivation drops as the brain reduces dopamine output. Prolonged sadness can disrupt sleep patterns, weaken the immune system, and increase physical fatigue. When sadness deepens into long-term depression, the body may experience chronic aches, digestive problems, and a persistent sense of exhaustion that no amount of rest seems to fix. Stress is not a single emotion, but a sustained physiological state. When the body perceives ongoing pressure or demand, muscles remain tense, especially in the neck, shoulders, jaw, and lower back. Cortisol levels stay elevated, keeping the nervous system on edge. Over time, this leads to headaches, teeth grinding, poor posture, digestive problems, and weakened immunity. Chronic stress can also interfere with hormone balance, sleep cycles, and heart health, making the body feel constantly worn down even during rest. Surprise triggers one of the fastest emotional responses in the body. It produces a brief neurological jolt known as the startle reflex. Muscles contract instantly, eyes widen, breathing pauses or sharply inhales, and the heart skips or spikes. This reaction lasts only seconds and is designed to help the brain rapidly assess unexpected information. Once the surprise is processed, the body quickly returns to baseline, unless surprise shifts into fear or excitement. In the end, emotions are not just feelings. They are biological events that shape how the body moves, heals, and survives. When emotions are understood rather than ignored, the body can return more easily to balance, resilience, and health.